Hi, Dennis the Video Guy here, getting ready to take a different kind of scenic route journey. It's called Perspectives, and it's something that you can take part in and have some fun with. It's a series of pictures, close up, of different objects and places in the Peoria area and beyond. They'll all be numbered so you can post your guess in the comments section. Now, some of these pictures will be obvious, some not so obvious. But still go ahead and post your guesses in the comments section. In 10 days, I'll put out another video that shows the results and see how many of you were correct. So come on with me as we take a look at perspectives by taking this different kind of scenic route.